Hello YouTube, this is Will Tate, Yacht Boss with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to take a look at a Ranger Tug 2016 model year R-31S. Let's get into it. This R-31S is equipped with a bow thruster and a stern thruster. Just a comment, bottom is going to be getting done here in the next week. We were waiting for the weather to warm up, but everything's going to be cleaned up. Zincs are going to be completed as well. One of the great things about this Ranger Tug is the prop is hidden by the keel. So if you do run aground, you're not going to damage your prop. Back of the boat is equipped with a nice spacious swim platform. Fenders for when you're bringing the dinghy in. It does have the winch and the capability to have a dinghy fold up on the rear. Nice little storage box in the back. Along with the spacious swim platform and railings, we have a very nice cockpit in this R-31S with an ice maker and a sink and fold down side seats. Nice room, also with nice covered space as well for getting out of the sun. With increased cabin room, we do have a little limited freeboard, but one of the nice things about the R-31S, which we'll show you when we get inside, is it having a pilot door for easy access, getting a fender out or getting a line out while docking. 2 storage lazarettes on starboard and port side, keeping lines. Also looking at a Pro Mariner combo, charger and inverter. Lazarette on the starboard side. Volvo D4 diesel engine. Nice engine room space to work around. Onan generator in the back. This boat has under 700 hours. Stepping into the Salon. First on our starboard side, we have a Galley 2-burner gas stove. Square sinks. Nice counter space. This real estate's great for doing your hors d'oeuvres or sandwiches. Nice storage as well. This boat is equipped with an oven. Nice oversized fridge below the helm. Nice little installation of a wine cooler here as well. That's awesome. Microwave. Air conditioning controls. Solar power controls. Generator control. For your guest suite, they do have a hard door, which is nice for privacy. Stepping down into the guest suite. Nice space for if you do have some sleepovers or if you just need extra space for storage. Guest suite does have a day head. Your electrical panel, well laid out. AC, DC volts. This is a nice lazarette here in the Salon for your pantry storage. If you do need to get a couple items in there, there's also access to the fuel tank as well. Great versatile seating for the dinette. Welcome to the helm. Stern and bow thrusters, trim tabs, throttle controls, and electronics. Full Garmin GPS. That is a XSV 16-inch screen, VHF radio, Autopilot, and Volvo display. Talk to you a little bit about this remote control. Looks like this is for your side power, which is your bow and stern thruster. When you're pulling up to a dock and you need to adjust a line and it's windy out, etc., this will really come in handy because you can control the bow thrusters from outside the helm. Pilot door from the helm, really nice access to the bow. Pilot door is functioning. Let's walk on out. Welcome to the bell. It's a couple things. You have your foot pedals here for your anchor lockers. Looks like we've got a good amount of chain and some rope. It's your Garmin radar, track vision, GPS antenna, all on the mast. This is a collapsible mast for low bridges. Nice storage on top with a solar panel as well. Very versatile boat. Flat screen TV for watching your weather or your news. Coming to the V berth, we've got nice storage along port and starboard side. Nice leg room and the ability to crawl up around as well with the steps. Very nice. Forward head does integrate a shower. As I say about Ranger Tugs, they are the Swiss Army knife of boating. Awesome little boat here. Great functionality. You know, super awesome fuel efficiency. This is a traveler boat. You've heard me say that as well about the Ranger Tugs. The 31 in its class has just got a little bit extra room with the functionality of the diesel motor, which is great. It's an exceptional traveler boat, has great range. This is Will Tate with representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. If you're interested in this boat, please feel free to give me a call. My number is 410-353-3380. I really look forward to talking to you about this boat. It is definitely highly, highly recommended if you're on the boat search for a Ranger Tug. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Just a notation, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We're updating content, and we'd love to hear your feedback and keep you up to date on everything we've got coming in.